Hi everyone, it's really important when you do a kick roll in your track that you attenuate, which is a fancy word for change or adjust your sub. So what we're going to do is we're going to play this kick roll and we're going to take off a gain plugin, and you're going to hear that the low end is really nasty because when the kick starts to do a kick roll, okay, in this section, it basically demands all of a low end. So the subs is like, what the fuck? So they both clash and it sounds nasty. Now if you can't hear this, then it just means that your ears are just not where they need to be yet. So don't be too hard on yourself, but you'll hear a clear difference after. Now what we want to do simply is add a gain plug, and when the kick roll starts, so bar 15, we want to start fading out a sub. Now if we don't do what I'm about to do, it means that the last note's going to go back up and it's going to sound weird. So I just remove the last note. Really simple, right? And then I use a gain plugin and I just automate it down to about -15. And now what? Now listen now listen to what happens and how much nicer it sounds. So it's an extremely simple change, but I say a change. It's an extremely simple tip, but it makes a massive difference. So let's say instead you're doing a double kick roll instead. So let's say you're doing a double kick. A lot of stuff for me is just common sense, so I've just figured this out along the way. Let's get rid of the gain tool. So let's say we've got a double kick. That sounds messy to me. Well, it is messy. The sub's getting in the way of the kick. So all I do is I just delete the sub, okay, where there's a double kick. Now for some reason these happen to be on the exact same note, which is insane. Like the chances of that happening are incredible. But normally you would just highlight both and see, right, that's where your double kick is. That sub there should be deleted because it's getting in the way and they clash. So by just deleting it, let's put the kick back up to where it was before. I cannot believe that. That's crazy. So let's just move it. So the last note just needs to be deleted, or you can mute it. Now you're going to be thinking, well, I can hear a massive gap. There's loads of silence. What's going on? Well, once you've got your mid basses and your atmospheres and your percussion and your transition points, you're not going to hear that. So there you go. Really good, useful tutorial on sub bass and on how to basically make sure it doesn't clash with your kicks when you do kick rolls or double kicks.